check. Yeah.
Most people spend about an hour, hour and a half.
Yourselves in at any one of the doors behind me here. If you have physical tickets, make sure everyone's holding on to their own ticket. You're gonna scan at any one of these doors. Scan it.
You're welcome. Come on in. Well, so far. Science Center with the white arches. Chihuly Garden is right below us there. Climate Pledge Arena off to the right where the National Hockey League Kraken play. And you'll look out and see Elliott Bay, which flows into Puget Sound. One of the ferries is heading out probably over to Bainbridge Island. The Olympic Mountains is that mountain range that you see off to the west there. And beyond that is the Pacific Ocean. We are at the observation deck, 550 feet up. Spend some time. When you are finished, head down to the rotating glass floor. That's where we'll pick you up. I didn't see it.
The train is arriving. Please stand behind the
Can you tell us about the...
Yeah, so all of this fish here is going to be super fresh, and if you want, we can fillet it for you, and then we'll ship it to you all over the country. We do overnight UPS shipping here, and then we also have a website where we can ship to Canada as well. Yeah, you know, it's the historic Pike Place Market, you know.
So what makes this place so special?
Yeah, I think just the attitude that everybody has here, you know, we try to make it a great experience for everybody.
I heard some of you guys do it with the salmon and fish throwing. What makes that so special?
You know what? I don't really know. Oh,
Can we get
thank
a
you.
toss for a friend from Texas?
Yeah, of course. Yeah. Here, 1 second, real quick. TT for the tip!
TT for the tip. Yeah. In there? Back check.
Back check!
Yeah.
This is my first day actually out on the salmon bench today, so it's pretty fun though. I love being out here. It's like just kind of like the energy from the market, you know, and just being able to make people's day is pretty awesome. Yeah. Yeah. Ice these up. Yeah.
Put together. I saw you already got a cool little sticker there, but this is my boss. This is here right here, but just got a little bit of information about the market. If you want to kind of look and you have do a little bit of research, or if you just miss us down here, you just hang on to that.
Thank you.
Okay, so we're Saucios Produce. We're one of the produce stands that have been a staple here in the market. pretty much our biggest thing that we focus on are, getting the best of the best. And, our customers, they come from all over the world. Of course, they're coming to visit the city. It's not, some people actually do come here just for us, and book a Seattle trip just so they can come in. But, at the end of the day, we always just focus on having the best of the best quality. And, not only that, but just consistently, if somebody comes in and they say, oh my God, those mangoes you had last time were so amazing, they're going to expect that mango to be just the same, if not better the next time. So our job is just, making sure that we are constantly, going through, checking the quality of everything and making sure that everything is up to standard. And if it's not, we won't bring it in. We'll just simply bring in something else, because for us, it's just, quality has to always be, paramount above all.
Can you press this button here twice? Becomes a little bit harder. More. Good job. There you go. Next to you.
Welcome to Seattle Center Monorail. Please take a seat or hold on to the handbrake. Thank you for your cooperation and enjoy the ride. Now arriving at Seattle Center Station. This is our one and only stop. Please make sure you have all of your belongings and watch your step as you exit through the doors on the left side of the train. We hope to see you again soon.